to turn on or turn off Spotify experience mode for you push notifications. In iPhone 14 Pro, open Spotify settings, find Spotify in home screen, and then tap Spotify. Next, tap settings icon, and then scroll down settings screen, tap notifications, and then select Spotify experience made for you, and then on where you will receive notification, tap push switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Find Spotify experiences based on your listening push notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.